How to change notification sound on Messenger Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger Lite, and once you do that, click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, from the Preferences section, click on Notifications and Sounds. And here, you want to click on Manage Notifications, where you will be able to control the importance, sound, and vibration settings. Once you're here, click on the notification that you want to change the sound of. Say, for example, you wanted to change the sound of the incoming calls. Scroll down and click on Sound. And here you will be able to find a large list of sounds that you can choose from to set as the default sound for that specific notifications, in our case the incoming calls. Say, for example, I'm just going to use this one, and once you do that, the notification sound for this specific feature will be changed. And you can do the same with the rest of notifications. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the notification sound for specific features in the Messenger Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.